Biscuit, biscuit, round and sweet, golden brown, a tasty treat. Crunchy, munchy, yum so fine, dip it in my milk divine.
Morning snack or afternoon, biscuit time is coming soon.
One for me and one for you, take a bite and chew, chew, chew. Morning snack or afternoon, biscuit time is coming soon.
One for me and one for you, take a bite and chew, chew, chew.
Chocolate chips or honey glaze, biscuits come in many ways.
Crispy, soft, or filled with jam.
Oh, I love them, yes I am. Dunk it, dip it, twirl around, biscuits make a happy sound. Crunchy bites and happy grins, let the biscuit fun begin. Coconut or caramel, biscuit flavors oh so swell.
With some sprinkles, just a touch.
Oh, I love them very much. Cup them up for school today, munch them when we laugh and play.
Round or square, they're always neat.
Biscuits make my day complete.
1, 2, 3, let's count them all.
Stack them up but don't let fall. Make a tower big and tall. Oops, it crumbled, eat them all. Chocolate spread or peanut butter, biscuits melt and make me flutter. With some berries oh so bright, take a nibble, pure delight. Grandma bakes them nice and slow, fresh and warm they steal the show. Cinnamon or almond spice, every bite is oh so nice. Picnic time, hooray, hooray, biscuits make it fun to stay. Pack them up in baskets tight, let's all share, take a bite. Animal shapes, so cute to see, biscuit lion, monkey bee.
Munch the ears and crunch the nose.
Where's my bunny? No one knows. Circle, square, or shaped like stars, biscuits love to travel far.
In my lunchbox, in my hand,
Biscuit love is truly grand. Baking day, let's roll the dough. Sprinkle sugar, watch it glow. Oven's ready, time to bake. Golden biscuits, can't wait to taste. Milk and biscuits, bestest pair. Drink it up and eat with care. Dip and sip and oh what fun. Snack time, joy for everyone. Biscuit, biscuit, yum so sweet. Crunchy, munchy, what a treat. Sing the song and dance along. Biscuit time the whole day long.